Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We are honored to have two distinguished speakers with us today, Mr. Snehal Desai and Mr. S.S. Mundra, who will share their valuable insights and expertise. So without further ado, let's delve into an enriching session filled with knowledge and inspiration. Requesting the session chair, Mr. Praveen Agrawal, Managing Director, Polyraj Pipes, to escort our honorable speakers, Mr. Snehal Desai and Mr. S.S. Mundra, to the dais. I extend a heartfelt welcome to Mr. Snehal Desai, a multifaceted personality, a CEO, entrepreneur, guitarist, and the visionary founder of Institute of Human Age. I'm requesting Mr. Anil Joshi, Director from Vishal Fab, to please do the honors and formally welcome Mr. Snehal Desai. Thank you, Mr. Joshi. Now let's extend our warmest welcome to Mr. S.S. Mundra, a luminary with vast experience in banking, equities, and securities. I'm requesting Mr. Ashish Maheshwari from Blue Ocean, Mumbai, to kindly do the honors and welcome Mr. S.S. Mundra. While talking to him, I came to know that he has born in Harda and he in fact graduated from Harda. So I'm sure coming to Indore must be a very good experience for him. Thank you, Mr. Maheshwari. As we prepare to dive into a sea of insights, let's set the stage by learning more about Mr. Snehal Desai through a captivating audiovisual introduction. AV team, the floor is yours.
Mr. Snehal B. Desai, a visionary CEO hailing from Ahmedabad-based conglomerate, renowned entrepreneur, accomplished guitarist, prolific writer, and the esteemed founder of the Institute of Human Age. Armed with a B.Tech and MBA, Snehal embarked on his journey at Gujarat Venture Finance Limited, honing his entrepreneurial skills and laying the groundwork for his illustrious career. His tenure at Ahmedabad-based conglomerate witnessed remarkable milestones, from spearheading PNG-CNG network projects to contributing significantly to Mundra Port development. A stalwart in energy sector, Snehal navigated through renewable energy ventures and oil and gas exploration, leaving an indelible mark on global platforms. An erudite academician, Snehal's expertise transcends into prestigious institutes like IIM Ahmedabad and IIFT, where he has molded over 40,000 professionals. As a sought-after corporate trainer, he has lent his expertise to esteemed organizations like BOB, ONGC, and ICICI. Beyond the boardroom, Snehal's passion for music resonates through his band Blood Brothers, and his literary pursuits shine through his best-selling book Paradox of Talent. In 2023, he established the Institute of Human Age, a beacon of enlightenment spanning 20 acres in Ahmedabad. Join us celebrating the multifaceted brilliance and transformative endeavors of Snehal B. Desai. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Snehal B. Desai.
Thank you, AV team. Requesting Mr. Desai to present your session on business growth strategies.
Good morning. So when I say good morning, people say good afternoon. So that means the lunch is still not on the brain. Can we switch off lights? ये थोड़ा लाइट अपने बंद कर देंगे पीछे. No? We'll be discussing some of the point. Don't be so much serious because I can see businesses are fun. Business is funky. Business is highly unconventional. Business is a thrill. And if those businesses are not going to make you happy or not going to excite you, probably we are into wrong business. है ना? तो अपने next half an hour we remain relaxed. Let's enjoy the conversation and discussion. I understand majority of you are coming from a senior corporates and we have students also. So it's very difficult to balance both kind of an audience. But I'll try to see that we take care of all. Seniors को मैं इतना ही बोलूँगा, relax हो जाओ, because if you remain so much stressed and remain so much heavy with your blazer load, your diabetes will go up, your cholesterol will increase, and for no reason you would have your health issues. So relax. We are not going to discuss any atomic bomb theory here. I am not going to give you any tip which is going to make you billionaire, but I am definitely going to discuss something which will make you happy and you will enjoy what you are doing in your life. ये स्लाइड गलती से बनी है बिकॉज हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट गॉड नोस व्हाट इट मीन. ये लाइट बंद हो जाएगा. हाँ सब हाँ करेक्ट दैट्स गुड. सो नो एटलीस्ट वी विल हैव अ बेटर इम्पैक्ट. सो कमिंग बैक आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक ऑन सी द आइडिया इज बिजनेस स्ट्रेटेजीज. हाउ यू बिल्ड अ बिजनेस एंड हाउ यू ग्रो अ बिजनेस. But there is no way by which you can build businesses until unless you start living in certain way. Humans have a terrific ability subject to they are humans. Now when I am talking subject to they are humans, what I am trying to tell, I do not want to talk with VP, I don't want to talk with a CEO, I don't want to talk with an MBA, I don't want to talk with a CA, I want to talk with a human who is an MBA, who is a CA. और तकलीफ क्या होती है कि लोग पढ़ लेते तो भूल जाते वो कौन है. Because degree is a creation of a human, a human is a creation of a God. How a creation of human called degree can be powerful than creation of God called human? बताओ. समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Degree is a creation of human, human is a creation of a God. Then how a creation of human called degree can be powerful than creation of God called human? So अगर मुझे degree को respect देनी है और human को respect देनी है, whom I'll trust more? I'll trust the human. But people don't trust human, they trust that degree. And remember a point: if your degree define you, your designation define you, your power define you, your position define you, that means you are a disaster. Your life should define you. We don't need any identity to sell ourselves. Your life should be so good where your life will sell you rather than saying I am a CEO with such and such company. और CEO बनने की तकलीफ बहुत है. Our chairman had a meeting at his home and I went there. तो mango orchard है बहुत बड़ा and I love mangoes because my native is South Gujarat. तो I was very happy to see. और सब busy थे तो chairman was busy somewhere else, so I reached early. And I went there, so the staff of chairman was also treating me well. Sir, आपको कुछ चाहिए? मतलब चटाई चाहिए. बोले क्या करोगे? बोला झाड़ के नीचे लगाओ. So मैंने झाड़ के नीचे चटाई लगा दी. iPad शुरू किया. iPad के अंदर आयन बटन शुरू किया. हाथ में बुक ली और बुक पढ़ना शुरू की. So I was enjoying his asset. And the best way to enjoy asset is, it's not your asset, it's someone's asset and you feel it's your asset. The best way to enjoy an asset. देखो खुद की प्रॉपर्टी तो खुद की लगती है ना यार. किसी की प्रॉपर्टी आपको आपकी लगे और उसके लिए माइंडसेट चाहिए. So I was enjoying and the CEO came. तो CEO आके बाजू में खड़ा. स्नेहल क्या कर रहे हो? मैंने सर बैठो. स्नेहल क्या कर रहे हो? मैंने सर पढ़ रहा हूँ. सर बैठो. ये भाई पहले तो देखा तो झाड़ के नीचे ब्लेजर पहन के खड़ा था. मैं बोला साहब बैठो. बैठ नहीं रहे. 5 मिनट के बाद मेरे को समझ में आया क्यों नहीं बैठ रहा. ही वाज अ CEO. अब मुझे बताओ भाई, तुम VP हो और तुम हंस नहीं पाते हो तो तुम्हारे डेजिग्नेशन का मुझे करना क्या है? और अगर तुम CEO और तुम नीचे बैठ नहीं पाते हो तो CEO बनने का मतलब क्या है? एंड सो आई सेड लेट्स लिव लाइक अ ह्यूमन. Human have a terrific potential, human have a terrific capabilities. MBAs are disaster and I am an MBA. तो लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि स्नेहल भाई आप एमबीए हो, मैं बोला भाई देख मैं तो इंसान हूं, एमबीए का डिग्री मेरे पास है, बट इफ यू बिलीव आई एम एन एमबीए, बट वॉट एवर आई एम डूइंग आई एम नॉट डूइंग बिकॉज ऑफ एन एमबीए, आई एम डूइंग बिकॉज I have been created by a God, and God does not create a useless product. So humans have a terrific potential, so let's live like a human. So बिजनेस कभी फालतू नहीं होता है, बिजनेस चलाने वाला फालतू होता है. So if your business is not doing well, that means you are not capable. And remember a point, give a base business to an ordinary person, he will mess up, and give an ordinary business to a great person, he will create. So business are always viable, subject to we know how to make it viable, and human knows how to make it viable, but the day you believe that you are an MBA and then you can make it viable, not possible. And so we said, let's understand and how an entrepreneur live. How you live. And remember a point, there are people who must be doing a job here, there are people who are an entrepreneur, there are people who are student. Entrepreneurship is a way of life. मैं नौकरी करता हूं, job sounds better than नौकरी. मैं नौकरी करता हूं, but I am an entrepreneur. And why I am saying you need to live like an entrepreneur, irrespective of doing a job or you're a student, because we all were born entrepreneur, but then God never invented money. Someone invented money which converted those entrepreneur into an employee. So what we are going to discuss, टाइम कहाँ पे मालूम पड़ेगा कब अटकना है, यहाँ पे टाइमर कहीं पे है, क्योंकि हम लोग हैं बोलने की आदत ज़्यादा है, तो कभी कभी वी स्पीक मोर. So someone will remind me, I hope, at the 25th minute. So coming back, I'm going to discuss how you should live. This is basically, आपने ये देखा नहीं होगा क्योंकि आपका ध्यान कहीं और है. और ध्यान आपका क्यों ही है? Because from nowhere we reach somewhere, from somewhere we reach everywhere, but we are still not there where we are. 15-20 साल पहले तुम्हारा कोई एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं था भाई. You were nothing, and from there you created something. From nowhere you reach somewhere. From that place you reach everywhere. But फिर भी जहां होते वहां नहीं होते ना, क्योंकि होते तो फोन पे. So entrepreneur leaves the moment. Entrepreneur leaves where he is. तो मैं आपको एक ही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा भाई, आधा घंटा हम यहां पे रहते, सेल्फी बंद कर दो, लोगों को अपडेट करना बंद कर दो, बिकॉज नो पीपल बिकम वेरी इंटेलेक्चुअल बाय पुटिंग देयर सेल्फी ऑन देयर व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस. आई मीन IMA. भाई IMA भी तुम फोन ही करोगे तो कहाँ इंटेलेक्चुअल बने. सो बी हियर एंड वी मूव समवेयर. ये जो स्लाइड के पीछे लिखा है ना, हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट, और इसके नीचे एक स्लाइड पढ़ो, आप लाइन पढ़ो, अवेलेबल ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेयर ऑन द अर्थ. ये स्टारलिंक जो इलोन मस्क ने बनाई ना, ये उसकी पंच लाइन है. He said, I give you internet anywhere in the world, in a sea, in a plane, probably on a desert or on a mountain. Point which I am trying to tell you is, he does not understand internet. He created internet giant. And why created internet giant? Because he thinks the way he thinks. Now, when you have been saying he thinks the way he thinks, means you don't think the way you think. No, you don't think the way you think. You think the way someone else thinks. See, what has happened? We all become a society of mass. Iron Maiden written a beautiful song called Virus, and when you run through the lyrics of Virus, the sentence is written in the virus is this: the worst thing happened to human is their mind has been raped, and I am convinced your mind has been raped. You don't think the way you think the way somebody else thinks. Check. आप आपकी तरह सोचते नहीं. See, you can't think, you go to a person who can't think, he can't think, you can't think, both come together and say let's think. So when two people think, which no one think, and so we call mass thinking is no thinking. So when you live within a mass, you are a mass. So I want you to be you. ये होता क्या है, वो एक भाई पिक्चर देख के आता है, 3 घंटे में बेचारा थक गया, बट बाहर आके ऐसा तो बोलेगा नहीं कि आई बिकम फुल बाय स्पेंडिंग माय 150 रुपी. मूवी कैसी थी? इट्स डिफरेंट. अब वो 2 लोग और जाते हैं, वो देख रहे डिफरेंट तो है नहीं, बट वो बोल रहा था इट्स डिफरेंट, तो ये बोलता है इट्स डिफरेंट. तो 3 लोग बोलते डिफरेंट, 4 और चले जाते हैं, बोले कैसी थी? इट्स डिफरेंट. ना वो बोलता है कुछ डिफरेंट लगा नहीं, बट बोले 10 बोल रहे थे इट्स डिफरेंट. पूरे इंडिया में डिफरेंट. एंड देन पीपल से मूवी क्रॉस 100 करोड़. नो वन रियलाइज व्हाट वाज द डिफरेंस. And so I said, we need to get into our entrepreneurial thought process, and if that evolves, I think you will do an excellent life. Are you reasonable? People are reasonable, and so they grow reasonably well. Unreasonable people grow. And why you are reasonable? Because people have taught you to become reasonable. Society have taught you to become reasonable. People, and देखो एक तो सबसे बड़ा वर्ड जो किसी ने सिस्टम में बनाया, God knows who created this world, called image. People who have an image, they don't do anything because they always bother about their image. और मुझे उस इंसान का तो नाम लेके आओ इस देश में से जिसका इमेज है. No one have an image. People, everyone has been criticized. All people have been criticized. But because you are afraid of that criticism, you are not getting into certain way of living, and so you actually do not explore your true potential, and so you don't grow. So my first request to an entrepreneur, when you want to live your life, you should not have an image. Because जब आपका image नहीं है तो आपके बारे में कोई बोलेगा कि यार तुम्हारा गवाना क्या है. And when you don't have an image, you can do what you want to do, and so you grow, and so you will have an image. So the best way to create an image is not to have an image. So मेहरबानी करके तुम्हारे कलीग का, तुम्हारे सीनियर का, तुम्हारे रिलेटिव का, तुम्हारे नेबर का सोचना बंद करो. क्योंकि ये वो रिलेटिव है, ये वो नेबर है, जब आप कुछ नहीं हो गालियां देते हैं, और जिस दिन आप बड़े बन जाओगे, ही वॉज माई नेबर. सो वेन यू आर मेंटली वीक, वेन यू आर ऑर्डिनरी, वॉट यू डू इज अ डिजास्टर. वेन यू बिकम सेलिब्रिटी, योर डिजास्टर बिकम एन अचीवमेंट. बट डिजास्टर और अचीवमेंट वही करता है जिसको उसके नाम का टेंशन नहीं है. और तुम्हारा नाम है, क्या नाम है भाई, तुम्हें कोई नहीं पहचानता है. कि किसी ने गलतफहमी डाल के रखी है. 50 लोगों मेरे को पहचानते हैं भाई, स्नेहल बी देसाई बड़ा इंसान बन गया. क्या भाई, द डे आई डाई ब्लडी नो वन बॉदर्स बियॉन्ड ए पॉइंट. कहीं छपने वाला भी नहीं है, और छपेगा भी तो लोग भूल जाएंगे कि बाजू में कोई मोबाइल की डिस्काउंट की ऐड होगी. तो मेहरबानी करके लेट्स डिबेट कि डू वी वांट टू लिव द लाइफ विच यू वांट टू लिव, और डू यू वांट टू लिव द लाइफ विच पीपल वांट टू लिव. एंड राइट नाउ वी आर नॉट लिविंग द वे यू आर लिविंग, यू आर लिविंग द वे पीपल लिव. तुम्हारा ड्रेस देखो, बैंकर से मैंने बहुत इंटरेक्ट किया, और बैंकर्स बहुत सीरियस होते हैं. बैंकर्स एंड डॉक्टर्स रेयरली स्माइल. और ये मैं समझ सकता हूं क्यों नहीं करते. डॉक्टर स्माइल नहीं करता है कि क्या वो स्माइल देगा तो आप निगोशिएट करोगे, सर प्राइस कुछ कम हो सकता है. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, लेट्स लिव योर वे, एंड दैट इज वेयर यू नीड टू बी अनरीजनेबल. बिकॉज जो एज है ना, दिस एज बिलोंग्स टू एन इंडिविजुअल हु कैन डू अ वियर्ड थिंग, एंड यू आर बोर्न वियर्ड. आप बचपन में उल्टे सुल्टे काम कर लेते थे, बट बड़े होते होते किसने, यू हैव अ गुड इमेज, पीपल शुड थिंक गुड, पीपल विल गेट डिस्टर्ब, दे विल नॉट लाइक, इज वेयर दिस इश्यू कम. एंड सो वी सेड, किसी दिखती है स्लाइड? हाँ, इट लुक्स गुड. दैट्स वेयर आई नो लाइट बंद करवाया. सी आई यूज लॉट्स ऑफ कलर बिकॉज लाइफ इज कलरफुल, बट पीपल मेक सच अ सीरियस स्लाइड हियर दैट यू गेट स्केयर्ड. साला ये क्या है? सो आई सेड लेट्स प्ले विद कलर. और अभी तो इतनी लाइट शुरू, अगर सब लाइट बंद हो जाए, सो दिस कलर विल स्टार्ट अफेक्टिंग योर नर्वस सिस्टम. You will get into this red and blue and the green and black, we'll see. The company's unconventional thinking about his dream is often born of a liberating vision. Why liberating visions are so rare? Because a powerful liberating vision is difficult to deliver. One should also need the urge and the courage to try. It's a good slide, it's a good English, but I'll explain what it means. It says that the day you are original, the day you will be a rebel, the day you will be a non-conformist, which you all were once upon a time, you will give a birth to a solid idea. You will start talking something which only you believe, the world does not believe, and that will give a birth to a liberating vision, and that will give a breakthrough and disruptive product and businesses. I was running through the book of Elon Musk, and the teacher asked a question to Elon Musk there. What you would like to do once you become big? Bole, I want to create a rocket making company. Bole, why? Bole, I want to take people on the moon and Mars. So he said, you want to take people on moon and Mars, how will take it? Bole, through rocket. Bole, how? But rocket is very costly. He said, I'll make a cheap rocket. So the teacher asked a question that NASA is making a rocket since last 100 years and they cannot come out in a cheap rocket. How will come out in a cheap rocket? And he made a wonderful statement. He said, probably NASA is making a rocket since last 100 years through a wrong method. He doubted NASA, and that is where it's created. So you need to be disruptive in your thought process. Or disruptive means kuch nahi. Be normal, be natural, and then you would have a disruptive idea, and that will give you a liberating vision, and that become a giant organization. But वो हमारी processes चली गई है. Because we talk sensible. देखो, people who talk reasonable remain reasonable. Risk is the biggest safety of life. And if you are going to take a sensible decision, everyone is taking a sensible decision. So those sensible decisions are not a different decision. So probability of you going to grow get reduced. And that is where I want you to be unreasonable in life. Are you a business or an entrepreneur? And this is a very biggest question. People say, what is the difference between these two? Theory, God knows. I have not come across a book which differentiate them, but I tell you what is the difference between businessman and entrepreneur. Businessman encash opportunity. Entrepreneur creates opportunity. जब आप बिजनेस करने जाते हो तो आपको डिमांड सप्लाई देखना पड़ता है कि इसमें ये हमारा मार्केट है कि नहीं. बट व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, एंटरप्रेन्योर क्रिएट डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. एंड आइडिया बिजनेस इज ऑल अबाउट नॉट आइडिया. बिजनेस इज ऑल अबाउट एनकेसिंग समवन्स लूपहोल एंड समवन्स वीकनेस. बट व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, your mind is producing convergences of number of things, and that start producing a business which become robust. India still have a capitalist businessman. India does not have an entrepreneur, and that is the reason, though India have the largest population and largest car market in this country, still we use Ola and Uber, which is not an Indian company. Indian use maximum internet, but still Google has been not produced by India. So when we are talking about a Bharat way, Bharat entrepreneur required to shift their mindset from a capitalistic mindset about making money towards a mindset of creating a solid breakthrough businesses which makes money. Entrepreneur पैसे के लिए काम नहीं करता है. He always adds more value to society and make a profit. Businessman is all about taking money from the society and making profit. और इसे आप देख लो, Baiju. What is the story of Baiju? Why? Is it a business or is it an entrepreneur? Children learn when they play. Why are you asking them to play on the laptop and the iPads, which actually affect the children? Because it does not have a product, because it does not have a services, because you created a product which actually confined people to those screens. In a process, it's a good business which are taking lots of money from the society. But are Baiju developing? When I created the Institute of Human Age, I'm very clear that I want to produce people who really go and change the way the world works. If that's the product you are trying to come out with, wonderful. But then if I'm creating a Baiju, which at the end of a natural thinking of the students takes away, I'm making lots of money as a Baiju, but I'm going to take away value from the society. So when you create a business, you create a Baiju. But when at the end of a day, you want to create an entrepreneurship, you create Airbnb and you create Infosys. आज मुझे बताओ कि Airbnb दुनिया का largest hotel है without owning a single room. It's an idea, it's a convergence, it's a number of things which is putting together. And when you want to go into this, shareholder का discussion बंद कर दो. Shareholders money is not shareholders money, shareholders money is promoters money. So ये जो concept हमने निकाला था कि shareholder का पैसा हमें बनाना है और shareholder के लिए हमें business करना है, you never create a business to create a value for the shareholder, you create a business to create a value for the society. In a process, shareholder and the promoter makes a money. Done. Nothing wrong. बट आपको ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि ये शेयर होल्डर वाला जो थियरी, आज मुझे बताओ ना कितने शेयर होल्डर ने कितने पैसे कमाए भाई. जो पैसे बने कहीं और बने, सोसाइटी से लेके बने. सो वी आर आउट ऑफ दिस एंड वी नीड टू बी आउट ऑफ दिस यूनिकॉर्न माइंडसेट. एंड व्हाई आई एम सेइंग वी नीड टू बी आउट ऑफ यूनिकॉर्न माइंडसेट. यहाँ बैठे हुए लोगों सालों से बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, 100 करोड़ पे बिजनेस किया, 500 करोड़ पे बिजनेस किया. कल न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ेंगे देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड यूनिकॉर्न. यूनिकॉर्न इज $1 बिलियन रेवेन्यू, 8000 करोड़ का कंपनी बन गया. देन दिस पीपल स्टार्ट वंडरिंग कि मैं 25 साल से बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ, 500 करोड़ पे पहुंचा, इसने ओवरनाइट यूनिकॉर्न्स बना लिया. 90% ऑफ द यूनिकॉर्न्स आर फ्रॉड. एंड इफ यू डोंट बिलीव, गो एंड चेक. 100 unicorns of India, 17 are doing profit, rest of the unicorns are making losses. But unicorns owners are making lots of money, and in a process unicorns are very risky. और आप समझो unicorn करता क्या है? There is a program called Shark Tank. अब कॉलेज में Shark Tank डिस्कस होता है, कॉफी पे Shark Tank डिस्कशन होता है, सो कॉल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल Shark Tank को डिस्कस करते हैं. अरे पैसे देने से अगर बिजनेसेस बनने वाले होते तो यहां बैठे हुए एंटरप्रेन्योर तो मूर्ख है जो यहां बैठे, उनको तो शार्क में जाना था. So ऐसे businesses नहीं बनते भाई. Businesses evolve with lots of hard work. Businesses evolve with lots of processes, with an HR, with an marketing, with an involvement, with a passion, with a madness. So when you talk unicorn, you are talking about creating money for individuals, not for the society. So I do not want to create a unicorn. I want to create a wonderful product and services, which over a period of time will become a giant organization, which will be a unicorn. Or remember, unicorn never make a profit. Unicorn profit नहीं बनाता है, unicorn revenue बनाता है. क्रेड करके कंपनी है, यहाँ पे बैठे लोगों ने नाम सुना है क्रेड, बट इनको पूछो कि इसकी प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज क्या है, भगवान जाने. एंड आई टेल यू हाउ टू क्रिएट अ यूनिकॉर्न. यहाँ पे एक कंपनी क्रेडिट कार्ड लॉन्च करो. व्हेन यू विल यूज माय कार्ड, आई विल गिव अ 15% डिस्काउंट टू यू ऑन द क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल यू आर पेइंग. सो मतलब मैं आपका 10,000 का मंथली क्रेडिट कार्ड बिल पेमेंट है, मेरे थ्रू पे करोगे, मैं आपको 15% डिस्काउंट दे दूंगा. सो इन अ प्रोसेस आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ लॉट्स ऑफ कस्टमर, यू आर गोइंग टू यूज माय कार्ड, वॉट एवर 15% डिस्काउंट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट इट फंडेड थ्रू अ प्राइवेट इक्विटी. बट बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग दैट डिस्काउंट, लॉट्स ऑफ कस्टमर कम्स, revenue comes, valuation come, the investor come, and in the process become a unicorn, and over a period of time it become disaster and people lose the money. So I think business is first is about product and services, and then the profit, and then the revenue. Because आप revenue के लिए company मत बनाओ. Revenue तो easy है भाई, minus expenditure, minus depreciation, minus interest, minus tax is where the PAT comes. And to create that profit, you require to be operationally excellent organization. You need to be financially solid. You need to be financially disciplined. And if you do this, then you will have an organization. और आप समझो यार, Reliance, I was बाय द वे देखो दिमाग में आइडिया कहाँ से आते हैं इंसान की तरह. आई रेड टुडे मॉर्निंग 102 शेफ इंदौर से गए जामनगर. व्हाई इंदौर डज नॉट हैव अ शेफ मेकिंग इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर द वर्ल्ड? कि भाई वी सप्लाई शेफ अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. स्टोरी खत्म. और सही है ना भाई, अगर आपके 102 शेफ जहां पे जकरबर्ग आया वहां गए, जहां पे रिहाना परफॉर्म करने वाली है वहां गए, मतलब में इनकी प्रोडक्ट में तो डाउट है ही नहीं. प्रोडक्ट तो स्ट्रांग है ना भाई. ये शेफ अच्छा बनाते हैं आपके इंदौर वाले, यू नो इट बेटर. मतलब में ये तुम्हारा आइडिया हुआ और उस पर काम करो, ट्रेन करो, एंड यू स्टार्ट सप्लाइंग टू द होटल्स, यू स्टार्ट सप्लाइंग टू कॉर्पोरेट, यू स्टार्ट सप्लाइंग टू इंस्टीट्यूट, यू स्टार्ट सप्लाइंग दुबई, यू स्टार्ट सप्लाइंग यूएई, यू स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग यूरोप, यू स्टार्ट सप्लाइंग यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. ट्रेन्ड एट इंदौर, सर्टिफाइड, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट मूव्स. बट नो, फाइनेंस और बिजनेस में डिफरेंस क्या है? ज्यादा मत पढ़ना, थोड़ा मैं इंग्लिश लिखता हूं सो यू फील आई एम अ गुड स्पीकर. बट पॉइंट क्या है, देयर वाज अ कंपनी कॉल्ड एविस. ये एविस करके जो कंपनी है ना, उसको किसी ने 18 बार खरीदा बेचा, खरीदा बेचा, खरीदा बेचा. और ये कंपनी का बिजनेस क्या था? तो एयरलाइंस, एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर कार रेंट का इसका बिजनेस. ये 18 बार का जो ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ ना, उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर, ब्रोकर्स, लॉयर्स और इन डील मेकर्स, इन लोगों ने जितने पैसे बनाए उसके सामने उसके उन्होंने कुछ पैसे नहीं बनाए. एंड व्हाई आई एम टॉकिंग दिस? बिकॉज द बिजनेस इज नॉट अबाउट बिजनेस, इट्स मोर अबाउट फाइनेंस. So if your finance is going to drive your business, you are going to get into trouble. But if your product is going to drive your finance, you are going to grow. And so when you talk business, don't talk about money. मुझे एक बात बताओ, आप इतने पैसे की बात करते हो, human is the only animal which requires money. बाकी सब ऐसे जिंदा है. And don't you think so it's a foolishness to talk lots of money and every time taking your 99% decision by considering only one criteria called money? That's what I am saying. People who talk about money, they don't create those businesses. So when you start business, I'm not saying make loss. You will make a profit. But beyond a point, you don't create business to make a money. और हमने ये चीज़ें देखी है कि भाई जिन लोगों ने पैसे के लिए बिजनेसेस बनाया है, all said and done, post Hindenburg, why Adani bounced back? Because it is a solid business. आज अगर ये बिजनेसेस नहीं होते और सिर्फ पैसे के लिए कंपनियां बनाई होती, then the company would have been not survived. And that's where we said we need to have this. Now, this is my favorite slide. The surplus society is a surplus of similar companies employing similar people with similar educational backgrounds, coming up with similar ideas, producing similar things with similar pricing, similar quality. And that is what the question you need to ask. Are you among surplus society or are you out of that? So if you have been behaving like this surplus, then you are not going to grow. And so an entrepreneur required to be get rid of this. Now, when I talk, what is non-surplus? Age of creative destruction. You need to ensure you destroy your business. जो लोग यहाँ जॉब कर रहे हैं, they have to destroy their job. जो लोग यहाँ बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, they have to destroy the business. Because the only thing I am sure is about your death, my death. The only sure thing sure about is the destruction. Your business has to die. And if you don't destroy the business is going to destroy you. And that is the reason why Reliance is alive, because Vimal is dead. Reliance was not in textile. They were not into that manufacturing. Calico was the number one mill of the world of India, and they were the number one company of in India. Calico got lots of money out of textile. Reliance was not textile, get into textile, made a lots of money out of textile, get out of textile, and they got into different businesses. So Reliance is alive. So an entrepreneur role is to be fall in love within a business, not in love within the same business. तकलीफ क्या होती है कि the more successful you are, the more successful the company is, the more fatter the forgetting is cow. जो बिजनेस में से आप पैसे बनाते हो वो बिजनेस छोड़ने में आपको तकलीफ होती है, और अगर आप वो बिजनेस नहीं छोड़ोगे 10 से 15 साल में वो बिजनेस आपको छोड़ने वाला है. So an entrepreneur job is to keep on creating new business frequently. Again I am saying you have to ensure, और बिजनेस कब क्रिएट करोगे आप समझो. You will not create business when you are doing excellent. When you are in trouble, you will create business when you don't need a new business. कंपनी में लोग जॉब ढूंढते हैं, क्यों? बॉस से तकलीफ है. जॉब तब नहीं ढूंढने की जब जॉब चाहिए, जॉब तब ढूंढने की जब जॉब नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि देन यू निगोशिएट, यू आर फ्री. बिजनेस तब शुरू नहीं करने का जब आपको नया बिजनेस चाहिए. बिजनेस तब शुरू करने का व्हेन यू आर डूइंग एक्सीलेंट इन योर एक्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस, एंड दैट इज वेयर यू स्टार्ट स्पेंडिंग योर रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस एंड एनर्जी इनटू द न्यू बिजनेसेस. व्हाट पीपल डू, आज मुझे एक बात समझाओ यार, कौन सा बिजनेस 50 साल प्रॉफिटेबल चला है? कोई भी नहीं. रिलायंस, व्हाई रिलायंस इज अलाइव? बिकॉज रिलायंस कीप ऑन एडिंग दोस न्यू बिजनेस एवरी थर्ड ईयर. Every third year, we started with a business, we remain in business. So we got out of the business, and so we said we need to keep on destroying those things. Now, your lifestyle. Rule of 90-10. Now, what this rule is? अगर आप आपके existing job और business में डेली 10% से ज्यादा टाइम डाल रहे हो, so you are going to get into trouble. I repeat what I am saying. If you are going to put more than 10% time on the business which you are doing right now, you are going to get into trouble. Why? 90-10 says this, your 90% learning takes place in 10% time, your 10% learning takes 90% time, your 90% people create wealth happen from 10% business, your 10% wealth happen from 90% business, 90% people create their 10% bank balance by working for a 90% lifespan, 10% people create their 90% bank balance by working for a 10% of lifespan, 90% people are busy on WhatsApp, 10% people are not busy on WhatsApp, 90% people don't read a newspaper, 10% people do or read a newspaper, 90% people spend their 90% time on their daily job and businesses, 10% people there, 90% time on some other business and job which they are not getting into. So ensure that you do not spend lots of time on your business. सुबह गए 1-2 घंटे में existing business आपने कर लिया, your 50% time daily should be unscheduled. Unscheduled, कोई planning नहीं, you don't know what you are going to do it. और 10 से 15% business review करो, बाकी के 80% आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा. Entrepreneurs have a lots of entrepreneurs within them. India perform because India have a Dhoni and Kohli. Argentina perform because they have a Messi. Your organization will perform when you will have a Dhoni and Messi under you. How many companies are searching for those superstars within their organization? How many entrepreneurs have created those talent within them? So when you talk Dhirubhai Ambani, Mukesh Ambani or Gautam Adani, they have a numerous entrepreneur within them which allows them to become big. And so we said, तुम्हें और ये स्टोरी नहीं है, आई शेयर वेरी शॉकिंग इंसिडेंट्स विथ यू. एंड व्हाई आई एम सेइंग शॉकिंग बिकॉज ये सब क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये सब अच्छी बात है, लाइफ में इंप्लीमेंट होता है. वी एज अदानी गॉट इनटू ऑयल एंड गैस एक्सप्लोरेशन बिजनेस इन अराउंड 2006, 2007 and 8. और वी हैड अ CEO फ्रॉम माय MNC कॉल्ड शेल. शेल इज अ वेरी बिग जायंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सो उसका CEO को हायर किया था. एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, वी वेंट टू अ चेयरमैन टू गेट वन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन. वी हैव टू गिव अ रिग टू समवन ऑन अ रेंट. और बराबर आ रहा है रिकॉर्डिंग? नहीं आप कीजिए, आई एम कमिंग थरली, नो इट्स फाइन, इट्स परफेक्टली ऑल राइट, नो बिकॉज इफ थिंग्स बिकम वायरल व्हाट इज रॉन्ग. सो कमिंग बैक वी वेंट टू साइन. तो और एक रिग रेंट पे ले रहे थे, ऑनशोर रिग थी. बोले क्या है रेंटल? मतलब $30,000 पर डे. तो मैं और CEO साथ में बैठे थे. गौतम भाई आज की रेंटल क्या है? $30,000 पर डे. कितने दिन के लिए हायर कर रहे हो? मतलब 100 डेज. सो बोले हाउ मेनी वेल्स वी हैव? तो बोला सर है तो बहुत, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हम लोग उस टाइम पे 20 वेल ड्रिल करने वाले, तो हमारे पास 2,000-2,500 दिन का काम था. बट वी आर टेकिंग ऑन 100 डेज. सो ही आस्क्ड अ क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डोंट वी बाय? तो मुझे तो नहीं, CEO को पूछा व्हाई डोंट वी बाय. अब CEO वाज आल्सो अ CEO. तो उन्होंने इनको एडवाइस दिया, सर हमारा काम है ऑयल और गैस ढूंढना, रिग चलाना नहीं. तो बोले एयरपोर्ट जाना है ना, तो गाड़ी रेंट पे ले लेने की, खरीदने की नहीं. सो ही हैज हर्ड एंड ही इज अ वाइज मैन. सो ही डिडंट आर्ग्यू. मैं बाजू में बैठा, बोले तुम खरीदोगे? मैं हाँ. क्योंकि हम लोग वी डोंट थिंक, पीपल हु थिंक दे नेवर एक्ट एंड पीपल हु एक्ट दे नेवर थिंक. गुड प्लानर्स आर पैथेटिक एग्जीक्यूटिव्स, वंडरफुल एग्जीक्यूटिव, एक्सीलेंट प्लानर, नेवर प्लान, एक्ट. खरीदोगे? मैं कितने दिन? सर 3 महीना. डन. 3 महीने के बाद रिग खरीद के आना. और ओके. बाहर निकले, द CEO was smiling, very sarcastic smile. He was my enemy. He never liked me, I never liked him, but we were together because we were together. So बोलता है स्नेहल, डू यू नो हाउ मच टाइम इट टेक्स टू मैन्युफैक्चर रिग? मैं सर नो आइडिया. बोले 6 months मिनिमम. एंड स्माइल दिया. मीन्स आई डिड अ डिजास्टर. ही फेल्ट ही इज माई एनिमी, आई फेल्ट ही इज माई फ्रेंड, बिकॉज विद इन 15 minutes ऑफ मेकिंग अ डिजास्टर ही गेव मी एन आइडिया मेड अ डिजास्टर. बट मैं इलिटरेट पढ़ा हुआ आदमी हूँ, सो कॉमन सेंस चलती है. तो अब 6 महीने में बनती है, 3 महीना बोला करोगे क्या? तो जब दिमाग ने जवाब दिया, या सेकंड हैंड ले लेते या रेडीमेड ले लेते. अब उसमें कंसल्टेंट नहीं हायर करते, समझे आप क्या करे? सो डिसीजन ट्री बनाते हैं लोग. नहीं, सीधा है, बिजनेस इज सिंपल, डोंट मेक इट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. तो नीचे आके गूगल रिग मैन्युफैक्चरर्स चाइना एंड US. कहाँ से खरीदोगे? चाइना एंड US. फ्रॉम वेयर विल बाय द रिग? सो पीपल से चाइना. आई सेड नो, नेवर हैंडल 2 प्रॉब्लम्स टुगेदर. रिग समझ में नहीं आता है और वो भी चाइना का, सो इट्स अ डिजास्टर. सो जवाब सिंपल था कि US से लेना है. सो मतलब भाई US से लेंगे. तो गूगल में दिखा ह्यूस्टन वॉज द रिग मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हब. सो वहाँ पे किया, 2-3 लोगों को फ़ोन किया गोरे को, एंड देन द आंसर केम. एक कंपनी ने बोला सर वी हैव अ रिग अंडर मैन्युफैक्चर, विल बी रेडी विद इन 1 month. सो रे ऑफ होप कि आई कैन मैनेज ऑन टाइम. सो ही स्टार्टेड आस्किंग मी क्वेश्चन, सर व्हाट हॉर्स पावर ऑफ रिग यू नीड? मतलब व्हाट इट इज? बोले हॉर्स पावर. मतलब वेट. So बोले what meter of drilling you want to do? मैंने no idea. बोले then why you want to buy a rig? मैंने wait a moment. So I called. मैंने जितने तुम्हारे डाउट है जो क्वेश्चंस के जवाब मुझे देने, put a mail to me. He put a mail to me. I forwarded to my technical head who was from ONGC. मैंने सर ये जवाब दो. बोले I am busy and don't disturb me like this. मैंने सर chairman has asked. बोले okay I'll reply in half an hour. Done. Story mood. तो उन्होंने जवाब दे दिया 2000 मीटर 1500 मीटर पे रिग ड्रिल करना था, तो बोले 1500 हॉर्स पावर का रिग चलेगा. जवाब मैंने यूएस को भेज दिया. बोले एक रिग है तुम आ जाओ. Within 48 hours of making a commitment to chairman that I'll buy, within 48 hours I landed in US. 4-5 मैन्युफैक्चरर से सब घूम ली, एक दिन में घुमा. And traveling US or state within one day is very challenging because it's a very spread out country. एक कंपनी डिसाइड की इससे खरीदनी है, तो फाइनली आई सेड आई विल गो एंड बाय विथ यू. सो आई मेट दैट अमेरिकन. आई सेड लेट्स बाय दिस रिग नाउ. So he said, done. So what? Bole, do you don't want to see your rig? Mela, okay, bring it. Bole, no, rig does not come here. We have to go to the rig. Mela, what it means? Bole, it's too big a instrument. Mela, okay, done. Let's go to the rig. और वो मेरे सामने देख रहा था, क्योंकि मैं बोल रहा हूँ अंदर आ जाओ, वो बोल रहा है कि ये स्टोरी क्या चल रही है. सो उसकी एक गोल्फ कार्ट थी, उसमें बैठ के हम गए. एक बड़ा सा ह्यूज एरिया, 52-53 अलग अलग कॉम्पोनेंट स्प्रेड हुए थे. वो दिखा के बोलता है स्नेहल दिस इज योर रिग. And I missed my heartbeat. Mela, what do you mean? Bola, this is the rig. Mela, all? Bola, yes, all. And then the worst thing, we were standing near 150 feet high mast. Bola, this is also the rig. And when I saw it, I asked an absolute stupid question. Mela, how I'll take it home? Bola, means, Mela, घर कैसे ले जाऊँगा भाई? बोलते, this is assembled. Mela, what do you mean? Bola, this is assembled. So, बोले, we will put it in a ship and then you assemble back again. Mela, wonderful. Now, I ask another stupid question. How this run? Electricity? Boले, no, diesel. And then he started asking me a very interesting question. Boले, are you serious? Mela, absolutely. Boले, you are here to see a rig and you say you don't know how it run and you want to buy. Boले, don't joke. Mela, I'm not joking, but I am asking you. And then he said diesel. Mela, what quantity of diesel I need daily? Boले, 3000 liters per day. Mela, is it a diesel eating creature or what? 3000 liters per day is what? Bole, then where I should store this? Bole, why are you joking? I said, I'm not joking, I'm asking you. Bole, we provide you diesel tanks. I said, how many? Bole, 2. Bole, then why 2? Bole, because one is extra and the second is where you can actually use it. Then I asked another question, who will run this rig? Now he started saying, and before he asked, I answered him. I'm not joking, I am serious, answer my question. So बोलता है कि you do not know how this run. I do not know. बोले normally you require a 40 people crew. The crew is good from Mexico. If you don't get a crew from Mexico, you can buy people from Brazil or Venezuela. And normally you require to hire 80 people. I said, you just said 40 people. Boले, no, 40 people work 28 days continuously. They go on a break, 28 comes. So I started wondering, ki, am I here to buy a rig or I am here to create a 80 people organization? $25 million का rig था. And then my MBA got activated in me, so I called up chairman. Sir, rig mil gaya hai. So first I proved myself that I got it. Well, wonderful. But sir, I was thinking, can we calculate NPV and IRR? Is it viable to buy? Because I was getting an excuse to get out because I realized this is a nuisance. But वो भी chairman he made a beautiful statement. बोले वो सब आके गिन लेना. अभी एक खरीद रहे हो या दो खरीद रहे हो? But the tone with which he asked, I said, sir, एक खट करके रख दिया. Done. आ जाओ. A nuisance. Now this guy started asking me a question. LC open करना है, 10% advance, 90% LC. Now we do not know in which company we need to buy it. So Mela, you need to give me 1 month of time. So Mela, what is the name of the company? Mela, right now you write ABC Private Limited and then I'll let you know. Because no, in MBA we had a case study, ABC XYZ. So I gave it. He took it seriously. But I said, allow me to change the name of the company within 1 month. Bole, done. While going back to India towards my way to Houston, और entrepreneur की सोच समझना आप, I called up him and I very clearly I said, sir, एक गलती हुई है. बोले वो मुझे कब का मालूम है कुछ गलती है because you are trying to get out. बोले what is the issue? बोला सर rig मिल चुका है, $25 million है, 40-80 लोग लाने हैं. वो बोलता है ब्राज़ील से लाओ, वेनेजुएला. बोला सर he is talking as if no we are going to buy from the next state. और बोला सर ये rig कैसे चलती है मुझे नहीं मालूम. तो बोले what is your issue? I said sir my issue is how will run this. He said that's not an issue. बोले why? बोले वो buy it. Once it comes to India we have to run it. We'll run it. And then I realized how he run the port. He created, so he's running the port. He never know how to run a port, but he built up. How he created a power plant. He started running. So he said, buy a rig and we'll run it. And we purchase and we run it. And that point of time, we purchase rig, successfully we run it, blowout, preventer and all technicality we learn, we master that particular product, but the whole story evolved out of a commitment and dedication and a rule that we'll not think, we'll not apply, and we'll keep on building our businesses. And that's where the story starts. और अब आप यही जाके कंसल्टेंट वो रिपोर्ट बनाएगा ना, डिमांड सप्लाई, कुछ नहीं भाई. और एक बात तो सही ना, आप घर पे नया कंप्यूटर लेके आते हो तो फाइनली आप उस पर पिक्चर देखते हो, बट कंप्यूटर बंद नहीं पड़ा रहता है, तो ये तो रीग है यार, चलेगी. सो यू हैव टू सी दैट इट वर्क्स, एंड इट वर्कड. And not only we mastered that, we mastered the OPEX, and the things started moving in a very different level. And so we said, see to it. Now this is very important for you. Time kitna bacha hai? Acha. This is very important for you. Be out of physical and psychological confinement. Shut down all zoo. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, if you really want, and what is zoo? Do you know? You live in a zoo. You are caged. You are caged with your mobile. You are caged with Instagram. You are. आपने जिंदगी में इलोन मस्क, स्टीव जॉब, मुकेश अंबानी के फोटो मोबाइल के साथ देखे? A person who is in a conceptual and entrepreneurial development, he spends his minimum time on mobile. So I am not saying don't use mobile, but I am saying it's an operational gadget. Laptop and desktop is an operational gadget. A developmental guy will be away from that confinement and zoo, and he is going to use it minimum. So if in 90% of your working hours you are with your mobile, you are with your phone and your laptop and desktop, something is fundamentally wrong the way you are running your business and job. So see to it, you are out of that zoo, and we need to shut down these zoos. Scrolling is confining you. And can you think wild? For example, we are right now discussing something, and some message will come and you will get into those messages. And that is where again you are going to lose your concentration ability. So entrepreneurs who are not part of that particular zoo, they will be mentally free. They will think wild, and so they will grow. And that's where I am saying, reduce the mobile usage. This is what I use. It's a 1200 rupee. I have never downloaded WhatsApp in my life. I have never used. My mind work free. I talk to lots of people. I interact with lots of people. I see what they are doing. On airport, people are on phone. In IMA, people are on phone. While taking lunch, people are on phone. While on a crossroad, people are on phone. Where the mind will work and where you will get those disruptive idea and where you are going to build up those things. So, I hope मैंने बहुत प्रेम से समझाया है, Zoom में से बाहर आना है. Never ever hire consultant. Sorry to say this very clearly. The people who have run a business and become a consultant are great consultant. But the people who have never done a business and become a consultant are the disaster. And nothing more dangerous in war than hiring theoreticians. Would you like to get your Indian army trained by a consultant who has never went on a border and never hold the gun? Do you want your pilots to get trained by the consultant who have never fly the plane? Then why you are hiring so-called big consultants to run your business organizations? How many of those consultants have run a businesses? Honestly tell me. How many of, oh, एक big four है, he is one of our auditor. So आगे मुझे advice करना, Snehal भाई, this is how Ishmael भाई, तूने खड्डा खोदा है जिंदगी में? Do you know what excavation cost? Do you know what is per cubic cost of an excavation? Why are you giving my project cost? Never he has created a project. He doesn't know how the land get purchased. He doesn't know what is the transactions happening in terms of check and black. He is identifying your project cost. He is calculating your IRR and NPV, and then you are saying he runs a business. Businesses are not on IRR and NPV. There are entrepreneurs who know how to make it viable, and they will make it viable. And so don't rely on those consultants. They are risky creatures. They doomed your business. They speak solid English. They have a wonderful wardrobe. They keep some good people with them, and they हाँ उसका जो रोल है वो करवा लो. कल उठ के आप कोई रिपोर्ट बनाओगे, लोग आप पे डाउट करेंगे कि तुम तुम्हारी कंपनी में अच्छा रिपोर्ट ही बनाओगे. सो कंसल्टेंट को बना के भी एक रिपोर्ट बना, तेरे नाम से बन रहा है, सो पीपल विल ट्रस्ट मी. सो उसके पैसे दे दो. बिजनेस चलाने के पैसे उनको नहीं देने हैं भाई. तुम लोग इसको अच्छी तरह से जानते हो. और मैं ये क्यों बोल रहा हूं, क्योंकि भाई तुम्हारे ऑडिटर भी तुम्हारे मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग में काम कर रहे हैं. और ऑडिटर हुज जॉब इज फंडामेंटली टू ऑडिट द मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन, ही इज आल्सो अ मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट. सो हाउ ही कैन ऑडिट द वर्क ऑफ हिमसेल्फ? एंड दैट इज वेयर वी सेड ऑल दोस डिजास्टर टेक्स प्लेस. एंड सो वी सेड रिमेन अवे फ्रॉम दोस पीपल. You need to be a servant leader. और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, मेहरबानी करके ये समझना. What you mean? How many people sitting here are really a servant leader? And what I mean by servant leader? Are you a servant to your employee? Are you a servant to your subordinates? And that is what the key is. How can you make your customers happy when your employees are not happy? And if you do not serve them, how your एक अच्छा एचआर किसको बोलते पता है? जिसको उसकी कंपनी में कितने लोग काम करते हैं, उस लोग में से कितने लोगों के लड़के और लड़की की शादी होने वाली है वो मालूम हो. क्योंकि जिन लोगों के लड़के और लड़की की शादी होने वाली है वो लोग जॉब नहीं छोड़ते, क्योंकि वो क्लियर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड लोग हैं. बट क्लियर है मैं नौकरी छोड़ दूंगा तो लड़के को लड़की नहीं मिलेगी, तो बोले 2 साल इसकी शादी हो जाए बाद में मैं जॉब छोड़ूंगा. तो एचआर को ये समझ में आना चाहिए कि इज अ सेफ गाय फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 years. And that is what we call an HR. And now that is only possible when you are serving them. An HR is the one, a servant leader is the one who take care of his subordinates, who is actually know the problem of his house, his personal problem, his nature. Our bosses are bosses because they only become great when someone say boss, someone say good morning sir. You will say good morning to him, he will not say good morning to you. You will take care of him, he will not take care of you. And that's a shift. And if that shift we make it, our employee will work for us. And this in a process, this organization has to grow. So you genuinely need to take care of your people, you need to serve them. So be a servant leader, and that's a fact of life. And be genuine, talk to people. जहाँ से मैं जिस बंदे के साथ यहाँ पे आया, वो ड्राइवर गाड़ी ड्राइव कर रहा था, तो मैंने बोला भाई कैसे चल रहा है, कैसे बोल, वो मेरे को उसने मुझे एडवाइस दी, सर आप पहले इंसान जो मेरे से बात कर रहे, लोग बात नहीं कर रहे मेरे से, और उसके थ्रू मेरे को 5 चीज़ जानने को मिलती है. वाई आर वी नॉट टॉकिंग पीपल? सो सर्व योर पीपल, राइट. ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन बंद कर दो, क्योंकि ये सब फ्रॉड है. क्रिएट अ कस्टमर सक्सेस. ना व्हाट यू कस्टमर सक्सेस इज, आप लोगों को वहां पे वो सर्विसेज देनी है कि जिससे आपका कस्टमर ग्रो. और अगर वो कस्टमर ग्रो होने वाला है, he'll come back. दिस इज लाइक अ रियल एस्टेट डेवलपर. जिस बिल्डर की स्कीम में आपने पैसे डाले और आपने 2 बार पैसे बनाए, उस बिल्डर के आप वापस जाते ही हो. सो अगर तुम्हारी प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज से कस्टमर में वैल्यू और हो रहा है, ही इज गोइंग टू कम बैक. सो सर्व कस्टमर नॉट एज अ टू सेटिस्फाई देम, एंश्योर ही बिकम सक्सेस. हैव यू come across a company who wildly served you? There is a company called Progressive Insurance. A company is based at United States of America, and they are going to come to India. And what they say, they say we don't sell insurance, we sell speed. मतलब में अगर तुमने उसका इंश्योरेंस लिया है, तुम्हारे 4-wheeler को एक्सीडेंट होता है, within a 30 minutes he will give you a check of your insurance amount. अब यहाँ पे देखो, बजाज वाले को प्रूव करना पड़ता है मेरी कोई गलती नहीं थी, इंश्योरेंस में ये क्लॉज है और तुम्हें ये देना पड़ेगा. आप झगड़ते हो ना भाई. और वही एप्पल में जाके जब 1 साल पहले आपने फोन खरीदा है और जाके एप्पल वाले को देती हो और वो फोन रिप्लेस करके देता है, तो तुम कंफ्यूज होते हो कि सालों को जवाब क्या दे. क्योंकि वी हैव अ माइंडसेट कि टू प्रूव दैट वी आर राइट एज अ कस्टमर वी रिक्वायर टू जस्टिफाई आवरसेल्फ. एंड सो वी सेड सी टू इट वी मेक देम सक्सेसफुल. इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी टू बी इनसेन. अच्छे मत बनो. तुम अच्छे हो, लोगों को मालूम है और रहोगे, बट यू नीड टू बी एक्सट्रीम. You need to imagine everything in a wild manner. You have to reimagine the way you are living. You have to reimagine the way you are serving. You need to reimagine the way you are marketing. You require to reimagine the way you are talking with people. Each and every opportunity you are coming across in your life, you are going to create your positive or negative impact. And when you are not behaving in an insane manner, you keep on creating. And what is insanity? Is a simplicity. The biggest luxury in life is a simplicity. The more simple you are, the more fear of credential you goes off. And in a process, your behavior become normal and you grow. And so we said, we don't want to get into benchmarking, we don't want to go into industry standards. You people will create a standards, and these standards are going to help you. So don't follow any standards. Your standards are the industry standards, wonderful, but you are not going to follow because industry के standard ही गलत है. And that is where we said we need to change it. Now we come on the last slide and we'll conclude. My favorite story. Saw such a beautiful male from IIM, impressed. The last audience will be sitting 400 meters away from the podium. Great. The screen size will be 65 by 20 feet. I have attended CII. I have been to the FICCI. I have been to some of the best events where I have presented. I have rarely seen such a great detailing. And that's what I am saying. Those males, are you creating? And the one statement where I loved the statement. Please let us know how can we make your dining experience further better. And I said, what is this? क्योंकि एक तो इवेंट में स्पीकर को बुलाता है तो इवेंट वाले ऑब्लाइज करते हैं, इतना तो दे रहे और क्या दे. दिस इज द माइंडसेट. That mindset never, and then this get reflected in their behavior. Here is a beautiful statement. solid statement. Please let us know how can we make your dining experience further better. I loved it. And that is where I am saying, you are going to create those remarkable organization within a small basic things. The story goes like this. साथ में पढ़ेंगे. I'll read for you. I said to the dog, are you still racing? Dog की जगह पे हम अपने आप को रख सकते हैं. I said to the dog, are you still racing? No, the dog replied. Well, what was the matter? Did you get too old to race? No, I still had some race in me. Well, then, did you not win? I won over $1 million for my owners. Well, what was it? Bad treatment? No. The dog said they treated us royally when we were racing. Did you get crippled? No. Then why? I pressed. Why? The dog answered, I quit. You quit? Yes. He said, I quit. Why did you quit? I just quit because after all that running and running, I found that the rabbit I was chasing was not even real. And I think that is the difference between a businessman and an entrepreneur. Businessman chase a wrong rabbit. An entrepreneur is chasing the right rabbit. Can't we make a dent in the universe? Can't we create those remarkable organizations where the India and the world would be proud of? Yes, when we'll not talk about money. When we'll not talk about shareholders' value. When we'll be in love with the product we are doing, we'll do this. And that's where we said, don't be a capitalist. Money is not bad. Profit is not bad. Making money and profit at the cost of the people is bad. An entrepreneur never do that. A capitalist do that. So be mad about daru hai bhai ye. If your entrepreneurship is not an alcohol for you, you will take an artificial alcohol. मैंने जिंदगी में दारू नहीं पिया है. 43 कंट्रीज ट्रैवल किए क्योंकि मेरे लिए मेरा म्यूजिक, मेरा किताब और मेरा काम दारू है. और जिस दिन तुम्हें तुम्हारा और मुझे बताओ ना यार वो दारू ही क्या, जो नशा ही क्या, जो साला सुबह में उतर जाए, उसको नशा थोड़ी बोलते. और वो एंटरप्रेन्योर को नशा होता है. और आप थोड़ा देखोगे तब समझ में आएगा कि धोनी का नशा क्या है, इलॉन मस्क का नशा क्या है, गौतम अदानी का नशा क्या है. और उसके बाद ये आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. एंटरप्रेन्योर इज मैड अबाउट व्हाट दे डू इन लाइफ. They talk with lots of respect about their businesses and about their product. We conclude, there's a beautiful statement I have heard from a legend called Steve Jobs, and the statement goes like this, and you need to understand what the statement was. He said the number one sword, I love this statement, I leave this statement, I'll be leaving this statement before I die, and the statement goes like this: the number one sword in the world should not bother about the number two sword in the world, because number one, all the techniques of number two, so number one cannot be defeated by number two, but he should have someone who doesn't know how to hold a sword, but passionate to hold a sword, so he will do something with number one cannot predict, so number one can be defeated and destroyed, not by number two, but by someone who doesn't know how to hold a sword, but passionate to hold a sword. I repeat, we go together. The number one swordsman in the world should not bother about the number two swordsman in the world. जो तलवार चलाता है ना, number one should not bother about number two, because number one know all the method of number two. So he should not bother about number two, but he should bother about someone who doesn't know how to hold a sword, but he's passionate to hold a sword. So he will do something which number one cannot predict. So if number one can be destroyed and defeated, not by number two, but by someone who doesn't know how to hold a sword, but mad, passionate to hold a sword. And this is not a story, this is not a statement. Check who destroyed 8-year-old number one company in the music industry, a giant called Sony. An 8-year-old number one company in the music industry, a giant called Sony, has been not destroyed by number two called Philips, Samsung and Sanyo. Has been destroyed by a company who had no rank, who had no experience in music industry. From nowhere, Apple's iPod evolved. And that iPod destroyed Discman, Walkman and Sony. And what was the experience Steve Jobs have in terms of producing music? Zero. But I read his statement when he hired a CFO of Pepsi. See his madness. He asked a wonderful question to this CFO. पूरी जिंदगी सुगर वाटर बेच के ही निकालनी है या दुनिया में कुछ करना है? इंग्लिश में पूछा था, sorry. Would you like to mess up your life by selling a sugar water, or you really want to make a difference with the world? And CFO, without asking a salary, job, resigned from Pepsi and joined Apple. This is what you should be. कि जब लोगों मिलते हो तो तुम्हारे में वो अगर पागलपना दिखा, why people will not join you, why your product will not work. बाकी पैसे तो हर कोई आदमी कमा लेता है. रास्ते में चाय पी, कोई अच्छी जगह थी पता नहीं, दिन का 40,000 वो कमाता है, ऐसा मुझे ड्राइवर ने बताया. So God knows what he must be getting it. But point I am trying to tell you is, let live your life, है ना. और वो एंटरप्रेन्योर जीता है with a madness and passion. और सिंपल है भाई, कुछ भी कर लो, जो करना है करो, सक्सेस तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है। आज जहां बैठे हो गलती से ही बैठे हो ना, या कोई कंसल्टेंट हायर किया था स्ट्रेटेजिक एडवाइजरी के लिए? पीपल ग्रो बाय मिस्टेक, पीपल ग्रो एक्सीडेंटली, बट द पीपल हु डू दोस एक्सीडेंट एंड मिस्टेक विद ऑल लव, पैशन एंड कमिटमेंट, fortune favors the brave. All the best. Thank you. Keep working hard.
I think it was a different kind of session, and many of us who are probably MBAs must be feeling like something they have not studied at all in their management institute is taught today. I think this is all distraction. This is a different kind of management. In fact, when I was speaking to him, we were supposed to discuss on business growth strategies, and he said, I'll be talking on entrepreneurial lifestyle, which is actually means the same, which actually means how to grow. So I think probably whatever distractions we have seen today, if all those we can implement in your life, entrepreneurs can actually, and everybody can start thinking how to become an entrepreneur and not a businessman. So last thing, what he said, don't be a capitalist, be an entrepreneur. Thank you, Mr. Desai. It was a very, very knowledgeable session with invaluable insights. I'm requesting our session chair, Mr. Praveen Agrawal, to summarize the session.
A very good afternoon, everyone. The theme of the conclave, Unlocking Global Potential, Shaping the Future of Bharat. The views presented by both the speakers have further strengthened our beliefs that Bharat's global potential, Bharat's global potential. I am frankly short of words for Mr. Snehal Desai, who gave us such a beautiful talk. My biggest takeaways, I was listing down the takeaways, my pages are full. The biggest takeaway which I could take was be insane, be extreme. Reimagine yourself, reimagine and recreate everything around you. Thank you, Mr. Desai. We are delighted by your talk and your presence. Mr. S.S. Mundra, he was listing down the things which did not exist 10 years back. And today, we cannot imagine our lives without them. Emphasized that a lot of these things, changes were brought about in the last 10 years. And incidentally, Mr. Mundra was appointed Deputy Governor of RBI 10 years back in July of 2014. We are confident, sir, you've had an important role to play and provide us so many solutions as you insisted towards the end. Thank you, sir. We are honored by your talk and presence.
Thank you, Mr. Agrawal, for encapsulating the key takeaways. To express our gratitude, I would like to present token of appreciation to our esteemed speakers. I now invite immediate past president and board member of IMA, Mr. Santosh Muchal, to present a memento to Mr. Snehal Desai, a symbol of our appreciation for your enlightening session. In fact, the speed at which he has spoken, it was a very high speed. I don't know how many actually could catch that speed. Thank you, Mr. Muchal. Next, I invite Mr. Sunil Niyati, Managing Director of Swastika InvestMart, to present a memento to Mr. S.S. Mundra, acknowledging his invaluable contribution to our conclave. Thank you, Mr. Niyati. And now I am inviting Mr. Ashwin Palchikar for the next session.